Hi everyone, Keely from Wave here. So welcome back to part 2 of setting up an event in Wave. So in part 1 we went through the main event details. In this video I'm going to show you how to create your ticket type, set up your vouchers and attendee questions and publish your event as well. So once you finish entering your main event details, we're going to go save and next to move through to the ticketing section. And the first thing we're going to do is create a different ticket type attendees can choose from when registering. So first up, we're just going to go add new ticket. And then from there, we're going to add a clear name for the ticket. You can see I've already got some tickets set up. So in this one, I'm just going to add in general ticket just as an example. And then from there, you can use the slider to choose the maximum number of tickets someone can purchase in one booking. You can also set how many attendees are included with each ticket as well. So for most standard tickets, this will usually be one attendee per ticket, but you can add more if you would like as well. And then under description, you can add some extra information about what the ticket includes, along with like any restrictions or seating details, or really just any other information buyers should know. So we can put things like includes entry and standing. Perfect. And then, this description will be visible as well to attendees when they're purchasing the ticket as well. And then next up, we've got pricing. So here you can enter both a non-member price and a member price as well. So Wave will automatically show you the total amount the buyer will pay, as well as the amount that will be paid out to your organisation after any fees as well. So just an example, we're going to put 50 and then 20. And then under sale, open and close, you can choose the date and time the ticket becomes available and when the ticket sales end as well. So this is especially useful for something like an early bird ticket that should be available for a certain period. And then finally, you can add membership restrictions. So we're going to go add membership package, and then we can choose which membership packages are allowed to purchase the ticket as well. So we can say just monthly membership maybe. And then you can also put a limit on how many people can get that as well. So we'll just put in 5 just as an example. And then we're just going to go save. And then we're just going to go save and next, and that will bring us to vouchers, which are also very nice and easy to set up. So we can start by entering the name for the voucher. So we're just going to put in maybe just student voucher, and then from there you can just put in what code you want people that voucher to have. We might just put in student as well, and then from there you can choose the maximum number of times the code can be redeemed as well. So we say we want to just put the total times this code can be used. We'll just put 5, and then we can also put an expiry date as well. So from there you can choose from the dates. I'm just going to choose next week just as an example. And then you can select the voucher type as well. So you can enter, say if you want it to have a percentage off by 20%, you can put in there and you can choose from these options which one you want to choose. For now, we'll just do 20. And you can choose for each of the individual tickets how much it'll be reduced by. And then once all those details are correct, we're going to go save the voucher. And then you can see it'll be added onto there. Perfect. And then we're going to go save it next, and that will bring us to attendee questions. So attendee questions are useful for collecting any extra information you may need before the event. So for example, you might need to know about dietary requirements, accessibility requirements, or anything like that. So just to add a question, you can go add, and you can put in here, please specify any dietary or anything like that. And then we can go save. And then from there, we can go through and we can delete some as well. Perfect. And then once you've completed the setup, we will go save and next, and then Wave will ask whether you'd like to publish the event or keep it private. Just for this example, I'm going to set the event as private. And then once that's done, you'll be given the option to copy the event URL, which you can then share with people you would like to invite as well. So I'm just going to save that URL, just an example, and we'll put that into our search bar, and then you can see the event comes up. So yeah, that's it. Your event is now set up in Wave. So thanks for watching. I hope this two-part series was helpful. Look out for more event videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.